Kia ora, hello and welcome to the classroom here at the Dunedin Public Art Gallery. My name is Jen and this is another episode of Art at Schools. Today we're going to be making a kite to celebrate Matariki, this new year that's coming towards us very soon, a time where we all come together and think about our hopes and our dreams. And a kite is a lovely way to fly those hopes and dreams up into the sky. You'll be making kites just like this. Very simple paper kites to fly up into the night sky. You can see there is the 7 stars of Matariki on there, as well as some little symbols for my hopes and some words for my dreams. What will you put on your kite? Have a good hard think while you watch this video. Fold a rectangular piece of paper in half. Mark a dot 3 centimeters in from the folded edge along the top and 10 centimeters in from the folded edge along the bottom. Use a ruler to connect those 2 dots. Fold your paper back along that line, using the ruler as support if you'd like. Flip your paper over and make another fold matching that angle. Flatten your kite out, press it down, securing the center line with a piece of tape. Give it a bit of a press. You can use your scissors now to trim any bits of the tape that are poking out. Now lift up that wing and use your ruler to find 3 centimeters along. Once you've found that, put a piece of tape on your kite. This is going to strengthen that area because you want to punch a hole in there. Now, time for the decorating. I'm quite interested in showing the 7 stars of Matariki. So what I've done is I've cut out a star from some cardboard, a big one, and you can see a little one up there as well. Then I'm just drawing around, or pressing colour around the outside edge using oil pastel, and I'm going to use my finger to rub the pastel into the kite. You can see that it makes quite a nice crisp edge. I'm just going to add a little bit more colour. I'm going to experiment with some yellow and some white. Rub that in. One more. Tahi rua toru wha. I've got 4 stars. I'm going to turn it over and do 3 more. You can experiment with sizes. And you can experiment with colours as well. See what you like. A bit more colour, make it a bit brighter. Last one. Got my big stars, maybe some little ones as well. Little stars to keep Matariki company. And try the orange, see what that's like. You need to think about what hopes and dreams I might have. Are you thinking about yours? Just use a white pencil. You could use any light coloured pencil on black paper. Put some wish for love in there. For everyone being well. Peace. and some strength. These are hopes and dreams for all of us. Now, with your ball of wool, pull off 3 meters worth. And with a stick and a piece of tape, fasten down that one end of tape before you wind it all on. This is what you're going to use to fly your kite. Now take that loose end and thread it through that hole that you made before and tie a couple of knots to secure it. Almost done. Now flip it over. You're going to need to use something to strengthen the wings of your kite. Now I'm using a piece of wire, but you could also use a small stick. You could use a straw. You could use a piece of dried harakeke. Have a look around and see what you've got. You're good to go. All you need now is a light windy day. Have fun and Happy New Year.